Guys, and welcome. So today we're going to be learning about counting forward. So counting forward actually means using a sequence. So like, let's say starting from 5 and kind of using a pattern. So we're going to come over here and we're actually going to see how we're going to do that. So I have some half-eaten Cheerios over here, you know, the usual. So we're going to be doing first sets of 2s. So I'm going to group I'm going to group each individual Cheerios into 2s. So let's see. We are actually going to zoom in a little closer so that we can see what we are doing. So let's see. Right here. Some background music. So let's see what I have. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So we're counting the 20, right? So then I'm going to break it up into 5. So I'm going to make groups of 5. So 1, 2. So let me see. Let me make sure that I have groups of 20. So 5, 10, 15, and 20. So now I'm going to group it into 10. So I'm just going to move all my 5s together. And then I'm going to count to make sure that I have 10 in each section. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I'm going to do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 and 10 make 20. So you're going to ask me, why is counting forward going to help me with grouping? Well, in this case, we're counting to 20. So we want to make sure that we get there faster. So instead of using 1, which is normally our first choice, I'm going to be using 2, 5, or 10. So I know for sure if I use groups of 10, it's going to get me faster to 20. But if I only have small pieces that I'm using today, I know that I can use 5 or 2s and I'll get there to 20 faster versus counting 20 little pieces by ones. And you're going to think, how am I going to be using this in life? Well, we group a lot. So counting forward, you use a lot of grouping. So in this case, we're using Cheerios as our grouping base. But if you try to if you're counting boxes, you want to count your boxes by 2s. Or count how many sections of boxes you have and break that off into sections. So I want to acknowledge my lovely, well, not my assistant, but my little lovely recorder here, Aisha Gordon. And I also want to thank the Standards for Clamps letting us use the standards and giving us great ideas on lessons. And thank you guys.